Ram Ram students, my name is Archana Sharma and in the world of astrology I am known as Astrologer AarchKrishna. This is a short review of Predictive Astrology, an insight by Dinesh S. Mathur sir. It's a 1 out of 100 book reviews I am presenting for astrology students. So don't forget to watch detailed review of this one and other books as well on my other channels. Save your money and time by investing in right books. This is my purpose, to guide all the students. Students, I would recommend all books written by D.S. Mathur sir. I myself have reviewed at least 5 books of this author. This book will take you towards the expert side, as the book has comprehensive content. Thickness is justified and attractive. It's full of basic as well as predictive knowledge. It seems complex, still the language is readable. It offers sound, analytical knowledge of basics on which predictive astrology will rest strongly. It's a bulk of a work, theory read with no example charts. Still, I didn't lose my focus during reading it. I am recommending it to medium level students who have gone towards advanced level, and of course advanced level students should grab it immediately. Although book talks about only signs, houses and planets and a different outlook towards Vinshotri Dasha. It's between 450 to 600 rupees, which is worth a price. Has got only 6 but comprehensive chapters. Information is knitted in pointers. First chapter will let us know all about signs, how they perform in every and any house, the disease, vocation, and any type of finance they can give. Second chapter holds information on planets, their strength, elements, their relationship and dependency on each other, and their independent performance, known as Karakas, being analyzed in detail in this book. Next chapter is an exclusive workshop on Rahu and Ketu, and then houses are being covered in another 2 chapters: house connectivity, Lord's performance, visiting or permanently posited planets in the houses. Lastly comes 6th chapter, explains Vinshotri Dasha with virtue of Vimshopak Bal of planets. While watching detailed review, you will get a surprise which is waiting for all the students. Let's sum up this review. You may watch Hindi and English short review here, detailed and long review along with video lectures on my other channels, and you can get the benefit of authentic notes made by me on AarchKrishna blogger. You may join live course which is starting from 1st of June 2022. Don't forget to watch second book review by G.S. Agrawal sir, Practical Vedic Astrology, Sugam Vedic Jyotish, which is one of my favorite book. This is my handbook also, and I always recommend it to all the students. And the upcoming book review, which is 4th book review, Vedic Astrology by P.V.R. Narasimha Rao sir. All these are marvelous gems. So students, you should go through all the long detailed book reviews as I am presenting it comprehensively. So while getting the notes of the books, you are getting so many information from those books. If there are any techniques given in the books, I am presenting those also. Students, I am always there to help you. To take my guidance, you can connect with me through mails. I hope this review was helpful to you. So invest your energies wisely, study smart and be successful. Thank you.